This How to 1 Minute will show you how to add a custom author bio box in Blogger website. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to do it. First of all, open your Blogger dashboard and click on Theme. Now you have to edit your theme HTML code. And now here's some code we will use to make a custom author bio box, and you will get this code in this video description below. So first of all, you have to search for this tag. So copy this code and here press Ctrl F and here paste the code. Above this code you have to give some enter, and now copy this CSS code and paste it here, and then search for this tag. And below this tag give some enter, and now copy and paste this code here. And from here you can change the author bio details, and you can also add a image link here to add an image for author bio, and click on save. Once it's saved, I'm going to opening my Blogger site and simply opening a post. And as you can see, the custom author bio box has been added. And to customize these about text, go to the editor, and from there you'll be able to easily edit author bio information. You can add an author image here. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.